naman, please lang.
Sige, mag-English ka.
Okay, Ray goes first.
Alright. What assumption did you make about me that turned out to be false?
F-boy. Legit!
Of course.
Kala ko talaga nung una. Di ba nga? Sabi ko sa'yo, parang hindi naman to pang seryoso.
Hindi yung suot ko nung time na yun eh. Di ba sabi?
Oo, nakalagay kasi doon sa damit mo, girls are drugs. So,
Girls are drugs,
girls are drugs. So, ibig sabihin, talagang hindi mo kaya ng walang babae,
It's just a shirt.
Pero ayun yung unang-una.
I didn't expect to meet you. Like I said, I was just here for a week.
Pero ayun pa rin, tangkad mo. Tapos, basta, F-boy. F-boy. Parang hindi pala totoo. Kasi, sabi ko sa inyo,
Conservative.
Conservative.
Yeah.
100% conservative.
Sakto lang.
What assumptions did you make about me that turned out to be false?
Turned out to be false. I feel like you were parang taas ng standard mo. Parang ganun. I'm like, usually kasi when you think about it, like, when I first seen you, you were surrounded by a lot of people. So, I had the idea that parang, okay, is she the alpha? What is she? So, parang yung persona na siguro stuck up to, parang ganun.
Standard talaga.
Oh, yung standard
Gusto
mo
ng,
taas. Yeah.
ng pera, ng ganyan.
Eh, parang ganun.
Hindi, ano lang ako, low-key lang ako. Oy!
Definitely not low-key.
Mataas naman yung standards ko, Mal, pero sobrang na-overmeet mo pa. Oh, di ba? Naabot mo ng sobrang.
Good save.
Good save. Ako naman. What have I helped you appreciate about yourself?
I'd say appreciate more about myself. This could be physically or emotionally, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I feel like
Yeah lang yung sagot ko.
hindi, just being a man. You made me feel more as a man, which I'm very grateful for. Parang you allow me to lead. So it made me feel like, okay, there's this person that trusts me and I do have that quality in me to lead. So that's the best thing I can say. What about you?
The faith.
Faith.
Yeah. Yung pag-open mo sa mind ko na ganito pala dapat. Hindi pwedeng dasal ka lang ng dasal. Kailangan mo makinig sa kanya para may maisagot siya sa'yo.
Nagiging one way kasi at times.
Yes. Kasi di ba tayo, usually, ako talaga, lumaki ako ng dasal. Pero wala mo na ako nalalaman, wala sumasagot sa akin. Pero ngayon na napapaintindi mo, try to read Bible. Pray ka muna before reading Bible. Try to watch preach. Try to watch this. Ganyan. So sobrang na-appreciate ko yun kasi na-open yung mind ko sa pagkakaroon ng faith.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful. What would you tell yourself on our first date if you had the chance?
Sis, matino siya, sis. Sis, wag yung pagtripan, sis, matino siya, sis. Di niya deserve.
Na-warning naman kayo, di ba?
Oo, na-warning kami after ilang weeks na natin nag-uusap.
Okay.
Oo. Parang,
Hindi siya early. Okay,
oo,
siya
hindi early. Ginamit lang talaga ni Melissa yung 2 alas niya para magpaglapit tayo. Pero, nung nalaman na nila Ate R, hoy, wag niya pagtripan yan, mabait yan ha. Yun agad ang sinabi sa amin nung kaibigan ko. Kasi kilala niya loko-loko yung kapatid niya eh. Ako naman Ate R, I'm so good girl.
Okay, good.
Hoy, good girl ako ha. Alam mo yan, tumatakbo nga ako sa lalaki.
Palayo. Tumatakbo ka palayo.
Tumatakbo ako palayo.
Palayo. Hindi,
Ginawa ko rin siya sa'yo. Pero sabi niya, hindi ka pwede tumakbo, halika dito. Tignan mo naman, sa tayo inabot.
For me, ako siguro, what would I tell myself on our first date if I had a chance? You have a long road ahead of you, and it's not gonna be easy.
Exactly.
I feel like, di ba yung Great Wall of Bell?
Great Wall of Bell.
Great Wall of Bell, ang taas ng wall niya.
Pero sabi mo,
May daan naman pa.
abot ko pa din.
Pati may daan pa gitna naman.
Oo, may daan pa kita, may konting butas.
Oo, di ba? So, may hope. Kumbaga.
Yes.
So, blessing din maging matangkad.
What fast food restaurant do you think I'm most likely to drive through? What's my order?
Jollibee.
Baka naman.
Jollibee, baka naman.
Baka naman, pasok.
Order mo, yum with cheese, tas kailangan may ketchup and fries. Tas ginagawa niya is, bubuksan niya yung yum, lalagyan na ng fries.
And then ketchup.
Ketchup.
And then pipipiin.
Oo.
Pero gusto mo na din.
Yeah.
Gusto mo na din
Ano
siya.
siya, guilty pleasure na siya ngayon.
Nagustuhan niya na din.
masarap.
Sarap ng try nyo kasi sobrang crunchy, di ba, ng
Yes,
burger.
yung texture niya and yung special sauce talaga.
Sabi ko sa iyo, kunin niyo po kami, bagay kami
Yung
endorser
special
ng
sauce na
Jollibee.
niya which is panalo.
Oo.
Pero nagtatampo ako sa inyo, Jollibee.
Bakit?
Tanggal nila yung spicy chicken burger.
Ako din, may tampo ako sa kanila. Tinanggal nila yung Shanghai.
I love that.
Ang sarap pa naman ng sauce. Bad
Diba?
trip.
Usapang pagkain.
Gutom na. Okay, ikaw naman, ako sa'yo. Oh my God.
Fast food, mahirap kasi yun.
Siya kasi hindi drive-thru eh. More in grab food.
Oh,
Uncle Mo's.
Uncle Mo's.
Uncle Mo's
Yeah,
talaga.
Uncle Mo's.
Ang ino-order niya doon is yung chicken manakish. At saka Taco Tuesday. Ayan.
Tacos, like birria,
Yes.
birria. Yeah.
Ganyan. Yan yung favorite niya. Pag nagda-drive-thru siya, no choice na talaga. Kasi healthy person ka eh. So medyo minsan ayaw mo talaga ng puro fast food.
Yeah.
More in grab food. Tapos ang ino-order niya, yogurt, ganun.
Salad stuff. doon.
Salad stuff. Ayan, oh. At least talagang sure tayo na bago tayo magpakasal. Alam natin ang gusto at hindi natin gusto
Of
pagdating
course.
sa isa't isa.
Of course. What do you think is the hardest part of what I do for a living?
The routine. Like,
In a sense of-
pagkising, workout, sauna. Sa loob ng isang araw, kaya niya maging productive like 10 ganaps sa isang araw. Pipiliin niya yan, ganyan. Nakakatatlo na siya isang oras pa lang sa umaga. Pinagsasabay-sabay niya lahat. So, sobrang lupit nung routine mo. Yun siguro yung na-amaze ako. Idol nga kita doon, di ba sabi ko sa'yo? Tamad kasi ako.
Baga
Ang
nag-isip.
gagawin ko lang, mag-iisip, mag-i-edit, matutulog, mag-aalaga, magbabanding sa inyo, syempre. Pero
Speaking of
like
that.
the rest, yung madami na talaga, yung maghahanap ako na ibang gagawin, iba ka.
Thank
Siguro
you
dahil
for that.
babae
Thank
din
you for
ako.
thank-
May katamaran
thank you.
talaga yung parang, hindi ako in right mood. Yes.
Hindi ka lang talaga morning person.
Hindi ako active person.
Yeah.
So gabi wala rin naman ako pupuntahan.
Speaking of, for you naman, the hardest part that I think that you do for a living is yung creativity mo. Like, kailangan mo maghanap ng anong trending o gagawa ka ng something that would trend or you'd find something to vlog, to shoot. Sa passion mo when it comes to vlogging, ikaw ang writer, director, editor, producer. So, taas kamay ako sa dyan, like honestly.
Ayaw niya nakikialam pagka sa work mode ako as a vlogger.
Yeah, I'll let you be, yung creativity mo is through the roof.
Kahit
So-
minsan hindi niya pa gusto, di ba?
Yeah.
Hindi ko ginagustuhan yan, Bella.
Wala tayong magagawa.
Mahal, para lang trend.
Para mag-trend.
hindi naman. Parang, collab kasi yan. Ganyan, nagagalit siya kapag parang mali na. Sorry.
Siguro may fine line lang naman.
Oo.
There's...
Pero i-share niya pa din.
Yeah, of course.
I-share niya pa
I will always support. What was the first thing you noticed about me that wasn't physical?
Gentleman ka. Gentleman naman talaga siya. From the start, from the beginning. Hindi niya ako binabastos. Kahit uy, hindi totoo lang. Ang hirap maging makulit, no? Hindi, sobrang gentleman talaga. Gentleman, literal. Kahit kasi nung nag-Japan tayo tataka ko, binawakan yung gamit ko, siya bumubuhat. Tari ni Kuya. Tapos nagagalit siya kapag
maging
bubukas
PA,
ng pinto.
PA pa rin gusto ko.
Pag magbubukas ng pinto, ako ng sarili ko sa kotse. Parang di mo na ako kailangan dito Bawal yun. Kaya kapag kahit wala pa siya, nakaganyan na ako sa pinto, buksan mo. Automatic yun.
Siguro, turo lang kasi talaga sa akin ng dad. So
Oo.
growing up, it's non-negotiable siya. Kaya si Lucas gano'n na rin ngayon.
Oo, ganun na rin siya.
Oo.
Lahat may nagbubuksan ng pinto.
Yes, women.
O, ikaw?
First thing I noticed is how you hold yourself in high regards. Kasi there's women that you see at the bars, the club, they're not really elegant. Pero the way that you handle yourself amidst like everything and kept distance, made sure na everybody's taken care of, parang you held yourself in such high regard for that. That's what stood out to me at first. Parang she's not the typical like woman that you would see at that type of establishment. You're a lady. So you
Hindi
should be
natin
treated.
tuloy yung sarili
You should
ko.
be treated as such.
Kaliwat kanan ng video dyan, isang ano. Pero hindi naman siya kaplastikan. More in pag-iingat lang on
but
my
I
part
didn't.
sa pagiging nanay.
That's what I'm saying. For me, I didn't have any idea.
Oo.
I didn't know you. I didn't know your name or who you were, and nothing. I just she handled herself differently. Like
Wala
she
akong
knows how to
makeup
handle.
nun.
She knows how to handle. Like for me, she knew how to handle herself.
Oo.
There you go.
Wala akong makeup nun.
Beyond physical nga, hindi nga physical.
Pero sinasabi ko lang,
Okay.
Diba? Feeling mo, kaya ko i-handle yung self ko. Siyempre kasi ako, hindi naman ako nagagandaan sa sarili ko, hindi ako confident tumayo, tindig ganyan eh. So kung gano'n yung nakita mo, thank
Meron
you.
palang vlogger na hindi confident sa sarili.
Kasi po, sanay ako sa camera na ako lang. Ayan, may videographer lang ako. Isa dyan, minsan palalabasin ko. So ako lang yung kumakausap sa camera, wala namang ibang tao. So kapag marami ng tao, nahihiya ako. Alam mo yan, mahal, di ba? Lagi ako nagtatago sa likod niya. Buti matangkad siya. Nakakapagtago ako.
That was a good question.
Totoo yun, totoo
That's a
yun.
good question. How have I changed you for the better?
So many ways, mahal. Sa pagiging mommy ko, syempre yung anger issue ko. Lumelo na ngayon, nag-tone down na siya.
Yes,
Hindi
yes.
na ako pumipitik.
Definitely.
Talagang before ako nagsasalita or before ako naggagalit, pinag-iisipan ko na. Yan yung mga na ano mo, yung sa pagiging nanay ko. Pel, kaya ganyan yung mga kids, napaka-spoiled sa'yo, bigay ka ng bigay. Ayan.
Yeah, which
So
is
ngayon, inaano ko na, dinadie down ko na unti-unti. Tapos lagi kong inaano, mommy and daddy. Ayan. Tapos ngayon, inaaral ko na kanina pa. Sa amin, amin,
Yes.
us,
There you go.
we,
Good job.
all. Yun kasi yung sabi niya eh.
Good job. Good
na-change
job,
mo na
Malcolm.
yun.
Nakaka-proud naman yung growth mo.
Oh, ikaw naman.
For me, siguro, I grew in patience. Grew in my relationship din nga kay God. Napalapit ako lalo. Sa kanya talaga ako lumapit. Kasi let alone na, mahala, what you were going through, I had to pour so much into your cup. And the only way I could fill my cup up is through God. So, lalo ako napalapit sa kanya. Kasi the more I prayed for you, the more that I empathize in the sense of what you're going through. So, yun din. Of course, patience.
What do we have in this relationship that you never thought was possible?
Ako, siguro, I was just hoping for a family. That's the biggest thing that now I have in this relationship. Bonus nga eh.
Yeah.
I have you and 2 kids. So, that was just my biggest goal, is to have a family. Kasi when you have a family, parang regardless of you played well, you played terrible, you got fired from your job, you still have a home to come home to, in a sense of like, your kids will look up to you as Superman, baga, regardless. You score 0 points, you score 100 points. Parang yun yung safety net. You gave me a safe haven. You gave me a home. So thank you for that. I'm really blessed.
Hindi, masaya ako for the kids kasi deserve din nila ng ganong father. So, na-appreciate mo sila. Tapos kaya sila ganun sa'yo kasi na-appreciate ka nila. Tama yun. Kahit na minsan, nanonood kasi kami basketball, di ba? Ng mga bata. Pag nanonood kami ng game mo, kahit di ka naman nakakashoot, grabe sumigaw. Go, daddy! Go, daddy!
It's like, it's just a beautiful feeling to have.
Feeling nila, daddy nila yung number 1 na pinakamagaling. Number 1 pa jersey mo. Daddy rin, number 1! Sobrang cute. Ako naman, siguro yung yung mapupunta tayo sa, yung parang ending na ng girlfriend-boyfriend chapter. Yung
Magiging ex
talaga-
na kita.
Oo, magiging ex mo na ako, tapos magiging kasal na tayo. Yung hindi ko lang in-expect na parang doon pala talaga pupunta to. Kasi hindi naman, di ba, in the first place, di ako naniniwala, pero nung kinausap mo ako na deep talk, kailangan mo sabihin sa akin, kailangan ko malaman kung naniniwala ka pa doon or nakikita mo ba rin yung sarili mo papunta tayo doon.
Yeah.
Kasi kung hindi, ano pang ginagawa natin dito? So, ayun.
Masaya lang tayo ng oras.
Oo, parang nung umao ako noon, medyo pa ako, 50-50 pa ako noon.
Kaya nga proposal
Sigurado
pa rin.
ba ako?
Kaya
Sure
kabahan.
ba ako? Ganon yung nasa isip ko. Pero, at the same time, ngayon, excited na ako,
Dito na
masaya
tayo.
na ako, nagpaplano na ako, and yun yung pinaka nilulook forward ko na, yung next chapter with us na as a complete family.
Amazing. Amazing. Love you.
Love you.
That's one. Let's do it. There's no words to explain this one. So,
Aww. A hug, not kind of warm hug. Oh, I love you, Daddy.
love you.
I love
I
you.
appreciate you.
And I appreciate you more. Super. Ikaw at ikaw lang ang pipiliin ko. Kahit sa ang universe, Daddy.
I
Totoo
love you,
yan.
okay? I appreciate you for everything that you do, the sacrifices.
Kaya pala yun yung
Being
last.
strong. That's why I was like, I didn't even know how to explain.
I love you, Daddy.
Forever
Huwag na tayo
grateful.
mag-iyakan, ha?
Hindi ka naman umiiyak, di ba?
Umiiyak naman ako, alam mo yan. I love you, Daddy.
Love
You're the
you.
best man ever.
Thank you. Thank you. It's amazing.
I love you, Daddy.
Love you.